Hello and welcome to another episode of Top 5 Facts. Today we're going to talk about one of the world's most beloved beverages, coffee. Fact number 1. Coffee is the second most traded commodity in the world, second only to oil. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it's estimated that over 2.25 billion cups of coffee are consumed every day worldwide. Fact number 2. The coffee plant is native to Ethiopia, and legend has it that it was discovered by a goat herder who noticed his goats acting strangely after eating the berries from a certain plant. This led to the discovery of the energizing effects of coffee. Fact number 3. The caffeine in coffee is a natural stimulant that can improve brain function and boost metabolism. However, too much caffeine can cause jitters, anxiety, and sleeplessness. Fact number 4. The most expensive coffee in the world is made from the excrement of civet cats. The cats eat the coffee berries, and their digestive enzymes give the coffee a unique flavor. This coffee can sell for up to $600 per pound. Fact number 5. Coffee is rich in antioxidants and has been linked to numerous health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. However, it's important to note that these health benefits are only seen in moderate coffee consumption. There you have it, folks, the top 5 facts about coffee. Did you learn something new today? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Top 5 Facts videos.